Start now.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Myself Jay Prajapati. I am Singh Shalini. We are from Shiv Vasishtha International School. We study in 10th standard. This is our project, whose name is Hyperloop Train, Speed Without Smoke. Hyperloop means traveling in a very high speed under a tunnel or using any tube. This is our train. It is totally based on magnetic levitation, which is maglev or magnetic propulsion transportation system. This concept was given by Elon Musk in 2013, and it was practically done in 2019 in Netherlands. Totally, we have made a pistol. We have made a pistol using cylindrical magnets. In actual Hyperloop, they use electromagnet, but it is our model, so we have used cylindrical magnets. This pistol has magnets, and the train is also made from magnets. So there is magnetic field between the pistol and magnet. Due to magnetic field, when we exert air pressure into this pistol, the pistol will move in a very high speed, and when the pistol will move, the train will also move because there is magnetic field between all of them. So it will move in a very high speed. The almost and the total speed of this train is 1000 km per hour and 620 to 720 miles per hour. The speed of bullet train, you know, is 450 or 500 miles per hour. This train is much faster, 2x faster than bullet trains, and almost equal to the speed of aeroplanes. We will show you a practical.
Yeah, sure.
If we will blow air from this, air pressure will exert, the train will move in a very high speed that it will go backward or it will fall because its speed is very high. It had moved backward because its speed is very high. If the speed will be normal, then it will go and it will stop here normally. But
great.
it will go backward. Why? Because the speed is very high. There are so many advantages that it can travel more distance in less time, and also it is very eco-friendly. There is no pollution, and there are so many challenges that the cost is very high for construction of these railway tracks, for these tunnels.
Is this available in India or
Soon.
can be available?
Yes, why not? India is a developed country and it is developing.
Yeah, actually देखा जाए तो वंदे भारत भी तो है ही, और बट एक्सीडेंट के लिए क्या है, क्या
एक्सीडेंट
कुछ
के लिए ये पूरी तरह से सेफ है, एज इट इज नॉट ऑन द ग्राउंड लेवल, इट इज ऑन द अपवर्ड द ग्राउंड और अंडरग्राउंड. ये कोई भी ग्राउंड लेवल पे नहीं है, तो ट्रैफिक का भी कोई
तो
टेंशन
ये
नहीं है.
ओपन नहीं रहेगा ऐसा एक्चुअली?
ये ओपन भी रह सकता है और टनल के अंदर भी रह सकता है. देयर आर ऑल्टरनेटिव व्यूज ऑफ
हाँ,
इट.
डिपेंड्स ऑन द
हाँ, depends on
मेकिंग.
the both. If you